So this is pre-Kirby and it's pretty big, guys, but it's not too big where I can't fit down the stairs. So let me see. This is the test. Testing Kirby. My Kirby cosplay. Let's see if I can get through doors. Yeah. So this is my second work lab, cosplay work lab from my first one. It's just basically the basement. I know. And in a workout area. Do not judge me. Do not judge me. Okay, Kirby, stop. Good boy or girl. No, you don't have a gender. You're just too cute to have a gender. Okay, so the first thing that I am doing is just placing it on like this top. Like this is a laundry top, and I'm doing it face down. The clasp is face down, and that is the part where the air comes out of, and so you're not going to cover that, okay? So don't cover that. Please don't cover that, because you need that to get inside of the costume. So if I run out of glue, oh, he has like extra of these. So I'm gonna use the dirty one. Hold on, guys. Okay, here I am. This is the glue that I use. This PVA glue. You can use any PVA glue. I use Elmer's school glue. However, this was a big bottle that I purchased from Walmart. It's about $12. I would say I used this. Well, I did use the glue, and I used flour and water. Wow. I used flour and water. Like you gotta get the papers on top of the glue. I used all the glue, so make sure you mix the glue with water so you can thin it out. And once you're done with that, you can use the flour and water method. However, I actually think the flour and water method probably will be more inexpensive, and it might even be harder or make your paper mache harder. Instead of newspapers or just regular papers or phone book papers, I used shop towels, blue shop towels. I use those because they dry harder. The strength is amazing. I am still shocked at how hard it came out. However, use caution. Use caution. If you are doing this like a week before like I did, please don't. Paper shop towels take a little longer to dry. That's the only downside. That's the only con. However, it dries really well, and it's so strong, guys. It's so super strong. So here I am putting on the paper shop towels. So yeah, I wanted to use the shop towels because of how big the ball was, and I just did not want to have any holes in my sphere. I did not want holes in my Kirby, because Kirby doesn't have holes, guys, in him besides his mouth. And it worked out really great. So like I said, just use caution. Start at least 2 weeks or 3 weeks or even like 4 weeks before your convention, so you can make sure that it's dry. shop towels are thicker, so it's going to take a little longer to dry your paper mache, your ball, or whatever you are creating. But if you're creating a Kirby. I really don't know, guys, if this is gonna dry in time. Today is Thursday. Convention is what starts tomorrow, but I'm going Saturday. And I don't know. I started this so late. This is what con crunching is. I like this little bit under here, right here. This part, like, it's a little damp. And then it accidentally, the plug came unloose. The plug right here. It came unloose like yesterday, and it started to deflate on its own. I was like, oh my God. And then it was like looking like it wasn't dry. I don't know, guys. Like, let's pray that we can make this happen. Oh my God.
Last, now everybody go to breakfast. Shayo, you go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I take one by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, it's out, oh. I'm a mind that's you can talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy, and I know that careful. Like the Baba Frayo, my ayo, don't cry, oh.
So here I am. I cut a hole. You're gonna cut a hole in your ball with a sharp tool, preferably a box cutter. And because this beach ball was so big and it hardened so well, I had to cut the ball. Rest in peace, beach ball. I'm so sorry. I really enjoyed making this Kirby head. I've always wanted to do this Poyo, and I absolutely loved it. It was a big hit at the convention, and I'm glad I did it. Thank you for watching.